Paving stones used on a patio are much thicker and heavier than floor tiles used inside the house. While floor tiles are usually made of ceramic or fired clay, paving stones or slabs can be made of porcelain, natural stone, or concrete. Because they are laid so close to each other, it is easy to forget how thick they really are until the day you need to lift one or more out of the ground. Because of the tight clearances, it is impossible to wedge them out using a screwdriver or a chisel, even if you have an extra pair of hands to help. And this is where the Scissor Lifter, as I call it, does its magic. This tool is a wonderful piece of hardware. It uses the scissors principle, gravity and friction to lift paving slabs vertically up, and then even carry them around like a bag with a handle. The distance between the arms is adjustable to suit slabs of different sizes. The maximum in this case is a slab width of 60 centimeters. The trick is to locate a tiny gap on either side of the slab so that the arms go right in, and this is often difficult at the first attempt. Sometimes you may have to move the tool along the slab on either side until the two jaws find a tiny gap that they can fit into. Often, you'll find it a lot easier to attach the tool to one end of the slab. It's easier to lift, and if you have something to wedge under the slab, you could actually slide the tool along the slab to the sort of mid position, and then it becomes easy to lift up the whole slab vertically. Let me use this opportunity to level the ground beneath the slab. While installing slabs, you can maneuver them precisely into position and lower them vertically down without having to dislodge adjacent slabs. The best part is you can do it with just one hand without help from anybody else. A few blows with a soft hammer and that slab is as good as it can be.